Dr. Pratmesh Jain has developed an innovative technique for repair of rotator cuff tendons. Rotator cuff in 80% of patients is a laminated tear in which we can identify a different superficial and a deep lamina. After preparation of the bed, we put a medial row anchor at the location of the medial row and we repair the inner lamina separately in a single row fashion. This repair is performed in a Mason Allen fashion. By that, it means that we are passing three suture limbs through the inner lamina and making one mattress suture and one simple suture. The mattress suture is tied first. Following that, we will be tying the simple suture, and this is a modified Mason Allen single row repair of the inner lamina which is performed. Hence, the inner lamina is repaired in a low tension manner. Once it is repaired, the four suture limbs are passed through the outer lamina and then it is repaired with the use of a knotless anchor. Thereby, both lamina are repaired separately under differential tension, thereby yielding very good results. This repair is even better than the transosseous repair patterns.